Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. In this video, my group will explain about natural product and extraction in industry hygiene in botanical processing. So what is exactly natural product? Natural product is the chemical components that produced by living things through semi-synthetic or synthetic processes. It have high structural diversity and unique pharmacological or biological activities. And it has given rise to the field where scientists create organic molecules in the laboratory. As for the semi-synthetic organic chemistry, scientists modify existing natural products to improve or alter their activities. To sum up, natural products have been utilized in both traditional and modern medicine for treating disease. Then, what is extraction? Extraction is the technique used to separate desirable chemical molecule from complex biological material. It is initial stage of research, analysis, or use of this substance, especially in food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology sector. And the extraction mainly used for the solvent extraction, steam distillation, sublimated, and expelling.
Now let's take a look at some of the most common types of natural products and where they come from. These are organic compounds that occur naturally in plants and have biological or commercial value. They are often extracted for use in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food, and even agriculture. First, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates like glucose are produced during photosynthesis. These sugars are then broken down during cellular respiration to provide energy for the plant growth, development, and metabolic activities. Carbohydrates serve as structural components. A key example is cellulose, which is a polysaccharide that makes up the cell wall. It gives strength and rigidity to plant tissue as stem and leaves, helping plant maintain its shape. Carbohydrates also play important roles in plant metabolism, not just as energy molecules, but also as signaling compounds. For instance, sugars like sucrose can influence flowering, seed development, and stress response by acting as chemical messengers within the plant. In terms of horticulture, carbohydrates directly affect the texture and flavor of fruits and vegetables. For example, the accumulation of sugar during ripening improves sweetness and palatability. They also influence the softening of fruits through modifications in cell wall, carbohydrate like pectin. Some common examples where these roles are most obvious include fruits and vegetables, where sugar affects not only the nutritional quality but also consumer appeal, which is crucial in agriculture and food industries. Next is terpenoids. Terpenoids are a large and diverse group of compounds made up of isoprene units. They are often found in plant essential oil and are responsible for many of the distinct scents and flavors associated with herbs, fruits, and flowers. In terms of extraction, terpenoids are usually obtained from plants using methods such as steam distillation, solvent extraction, or even supercritical carbon dioxide extraction, especially when used in high-quality essential oil or perfume. These compounds are well known as aromatic and flavor agents. For example, rhamnine from citrus peels gives a strong orange scent. Menthol from peppermint has a cooling, minty aroma, while pinene from pine resin provides a fresh and woody fragrance. Because of these properties, terpenoids are widely used in the production of essential oil, cosmetics, flavorings, and even traditional herbal medicine. In herbal medicine, many terpenoids are thought to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, or soothing effects, which is why they are common in remedies like balms and teas.
For the application, I will explain how fume hoods are used to protect workers during the extraction of active compound from plant using solvent like ethanol or hexane. For example, when extracting essential oil from ginger using ethanol, first the fume hood help remove ethanol vapor that can irritate the eye, skin, and lung, and may even pose a fire risk. Second, it also captures dust from powdered ginger, which can cause breathing problem. Third, most importantly, it ensures worker safety and help follow industrial hygiene standard. The device shown here is a local exhaust ventilation system. Its job is to trap hazardous vapor, dust, and fumes before they spread into the lab.
I will explain about the advantage of botanical processing. First, it is natural and less toxic. This method uses plant-based raw ingredient, which means it reduces workers' exposure to harmful synthetic chemicals, so it's much safer for people working in this environment. Second, let's look at the reactant and products. Botanical processing often use eco-friendly techniques like ethanol or water extraction. These methods produce fewer toxic byproducts, which helps promote a safer and greener workplace. And lastly, This method offers safer waste management. Since botanical waste is mostly biodegradable and less hazardous, it's easier to handle and safer to dispose of. So overall, botanical processing is safer for workers, better for environment, and helps reduce hazardous waste.
Okay, next we will discuss about disadvantage of botanical processing. The first one is respiratory hazard. Dust and fibrous plant material can irritate the respiratory system. Second, chemical hazard. Organic solvent used in extraction can be flammable, toxic, or create VOC. Third one, skin irritation and sensitization. Direct contact with plant matter, extract or residue can cause skin irritation and allergic reaction. And the last one is waste disposal. Extraction processes generate waste containing solvent and other byproducts requiring proper disposal method. In conclusion, natural products derived from living organisms are extracted using methods like solvent extraction to harness their diverse chemical structure and medicinal properties. While offering safer, eco-friendly processing, this approach also presents risks such as respiratory hazard and waste disposal challenges, highlighting the need for careful handling and safety measures.